Thank you for selecting Fetdom to be your bondage furniture provider. This is the assembly instruction video for Gyno chair. We first take the seat. The seat is the smaller of the two cushions. The back side has two brackets in the middle, whereas the front side has two square tubes sticking out. Now we install the front two legs, called C1 and C2. They both have two holes in the middle. These holes need to face each other for installation of a horizontal B2 later on. D1 and D2 are the same length of C1 and C2. D1 and D2 are installed to the back side of the seat. Now we assemble the base of the chair. A1 and A2 are the longest two tubes with the four holes facing up. We install B1 with a U-shaped bracket in the middle between A1 and A2 away from the holes. The brackets need to be on top of the tube. Use short hex head bolts for this installation. Keep the first bolt loose and then put in the second bolt. After both bolts are loosely installed, then we tighten the bolt with provided wrench or a tool of your choice. Now we put the seat with the four legs onto the base. The back side of the seat has two flat plates sticking out for installation of the backrest. Use the short hex head bolt to attach the legs to the base. Keep the bolts loose for now. Now we install the horizontal tube B2 to the front of the seat between the front legs. The front horizontal tube is the same length as the back horizontal tube B1. This tube can be installed earlier when putting the legs on the seat, or you can install it now. Now we install the adjustable support tube to the backrest. This perforated tube is marked F in the picture. We use the long butterfly wing bolt and nut to fasten the tube to B1 to the back of the base. Then we insert smaller perforated tube E into tube F. Make sure the non-perforated end of the tube E goes in first. We put in the butterfly wind bolt and nut in the adjustable tubes E and F, first at their tallest position. Now we install the backrest with the middle-sized butterfly wind bolt wrapped up with the leather belts. This joint will allow adjustment of the backrest. Now we can attach the adjustable tube to the backrest using the long butterfly wing bolt and nut. There are 3 of these bolts and nuts provided for each joint of the adjustable tube. We can adjust the position of the backrest by taking out and reinsert the middle bolt We have two black bolts with the handle, which is used to install the stirrup. Insert the stainless steel stirrup to the front side of the chair and tighten the black bolt to fix it in place. Now we can install the ABS leg rest on top by rotating it into desired position, and then tighten the nut underneath to lock the leg rest in place. Last but not least, we can insert the belts into the leg rests. And ta-da, we're done.